A very good morning to all my dear students. So, as we all are doing constructions, so I hope all of you are familiar now with the basic construction of angle, how to bisect them, and how to draw the perpendicular bisector. Okay, so today we are going to start the exercise 11.2, in which we are just going to do one sum today because that is very important. So, construction of a triangle. Now you have to construct a triangle when some conditions are given to you. So there are two types of conditions. The first one is when you are given a base of the triangle, okay, the base side, the base angle is given and sum of two other sides is given to you. So you can see BC is 7 centimeter over here. Okay, angle B is 75 degrees and the remaining two sides except BC, AB and AC, their sum is 13 centimeter. So here you can see I have written the steps of construction because that is very important. At the end you have to justify also. Okay. So the first one, this time I have just constructed it so that it will be easy for you to understand. Okay, we will just see. So the first thing is you have to draw the base. This is BC, which is 7 centimeters. So you all know you have to use the ruler and compass only. Okay, so this is 7 centimeter. You all can see this is 7 centimeter. Now at angle B, okay, just and make a habit of writing all the steps together and the points as well as. So as soon as you are constructing this side, just give it a name BC and write over here 7 centimeter. Then at point B you have to construct 75 degree. Now you know how to construct 75 degree. First of all, you have to take a comfortable radius, taking B as center, and that radius you have to mark an arc. You have done this 75 degree in the previous. Then from here, this first, you can see this one. This is 60 degree. Then you will draw another, it will be 120. Then you will draw 90. So you can see over here, I have drawn a line which shows 90 degree. Now this between 60 and 90 the angle is 30 degree. So then I have bisected this angle, so it has become 15 degree. So 60 plus 15 will give you 75 degree. Okay, so this angle is 75 degree. Now what you have to do, you have to just extend it till up, or you have to draw a ray from here, and the ray is BX. Okay, now on this ray BX, I just started it here. Just please make sure that you are just starting it below. And then what was the length of AB plus AC? 13 centimeters. So you have to see that 13 centimeter on this ray you have to mark and give it a name, point D. You can see here. And then you have to join D with this point C. So we have joined CD. Okay, so we have got the big triangle DBC. Now what next you have to do? You have to make whatever angle is this, the same angle you have to construct this side also. Okay, why? First of all, I will tell you that because you know angles, sides opposite to equal angles are equal. Okay, you know this. So for that reason only we have to construct this side and this side equal. So whatever angle is here, we have to construct the same. Now how to construct the equal angles, that we will see. Now just see. What you have to do, you have to take a comfortable radius and from here you have to mark the arc. Okay, first you will mark the arc. We have marked. Now without changing this radius, you will mark the same arc from point C, a big arc we have constructed. After constructing these two arcs, you will measure how much is this angle. Okay, width you will measure. Now you can see this much is the width. Okay, so this much is the width. So this you will bisect from G and then you will construct the angle. So this angle, these two angles, I am marking them. This angle, okay, and this angle, these two angles are equal. If these two angles are equal, then this side will be equal to this side. Now you have to just construct a ray CY, and then wherever it is intersecting this BD, you will give it a name A. And then you can see this is the required triangle ABC. And you can just verify your answer by measuring. This is 75, this is 7 centimeter, you all know. This is 75 degree, this you all know. Now how to verify? You will just measure with the ruler how much is this AB. So AB in my construction it is coming 5.5. okay, and AC is coming 7.5, okay, and 5.5 plus 7.5 will give me 13 centimeters. So this way you have to construct, and you can just highlight the final triangle whatever is the required, and you can see I have written the steps of constructions. So whatever we have done, you have to write it stepwise, and after that you can see over here we have done the verification also. So all these are steps only, and at the end I have just done the justification. For justification, BD was 13 centimeter given to us. On measuring, we have got that AB is 5.5 centimeter and AC is 7.5 centimeter. Okay, so 7.5 and 5.5 will give us 13 centimeter. So this way we have got that the sum of two sides is 13 centimeter, base is 7 centimeter, and base angle is 75 degree. So I hope all of you have understood, and for a better understanding, if you want more, you can just go through the solved example in your textbook. So we have done basically only one type of triangle, so please construct it in your notebook and write the steps and justification properly. So that's all for today, and the second type of triangle we'll see tomorrow. So thank you and have a nice day everyone.